Hello, my name is Cristian Arboleda. I am a student and I practice athletics. I am 18 years old. I am from Cartago Valle. I live in La Paila Valle. My favorite sport is athletics. I live with my dad, my uncles, and my grandmother. I study psychology and my favorite TV show is The Guadalupe Rose. My family description: my mother is Paola Orozco. She is 42 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Cartago Valle. My mother is there. Her skin is dark. Her hair is black and she is very elegant. My dad is businessman. He is 51 years old. He is from La Paila Valle. My dad is tall. His skin is black and he is fat. My sister is Jennifer Arboleda. She is a student. She is 22 years old. She is from El Cerrito Valle. My sister is short. Her skin is black and she is fat. Thank you very much.